In this section, we are going to break down the design to simpler and smaller segments. This isn't hard work, but it needs a careful vision and provides very good information for us. When you divide the design to smaller and simpler parts, you exactly understand their order, the way they should be styled, and the most important, it gives a very good vision from the design and makes you better understand your design and the way to develop them. In this image, you see that I have divided the design. The horizontal lines show the views that must be arranged in a column, and the vertical lines show how the horizontal views should be divided to columns and what component is inside each column. This segmentation is not detailed. You can divide every single component with these lines to better understand how to develop them. Now we can begin to develop the screen segments from top left. So we begin with this component.